In this video, we are going to learn how to design this component in AutoCAD 3D. So let's get started. So we have this dimension data. We are going to use this. So here I'm going to draw this with side plane. So I'll take right plane. Let's move the UCS. We'll take UCS icon, enter, and taking no origin. I'll take a line command. We'll draw a total distance of line 60, enter, and zoom out. And this dimension is missing in this diagram. I'm taking up to 125. We'll take offset of this line 16. This gap is 16 there, so I'll make this to be 16. Now we'll draw a line. I'll enter. Total 12 distance. This is front side 16. This is upper side 20, and this is 28. We'll trim this portion from here and we'll join this. We'll join complete object, J enter. I'll rotate by shift and middle mouse button. We'll extrude it, EXT enter, select this, and total extrude is 84 because the radius is 42, so we can extrude 84 as depth of that, as total depth. Now we'll apply fillet. We'll take fillet edge command. So go to radius, taking radius value to 42, selecting this edge and this edge, enter, enter. Now let's apply chamfer at the corner. So I'll take chamfer command, chamfer edge, go to distance. So first side, if you calculate this side, this distance is left to 24 and that is 30. So total distance 24 and 30. We'll select this edge, enter, enter, chamfer is applied. Now we have to cut that part. So I'll just take a back view. So I'll just make one line at the mid. Now let's make that circles. So I'll draw C, enter, making a diameter of 20 and making one more circle. So I'll copy that, copying this 18 distance from there, and we'll join with line and trim that both the circles, joining them, J enter. I'll draw one line from mid to mid, so that help me to move and place exactly at mid of this line. And we delete the lines. Now we can use a press pull command. With that we can cut it. We'll take press pull. We'll select this and pull it. So it has removed the material. If do not remove, we can add a material and use subtract command. Now let's apply some color on this. We'll select this and go to property command. From here we can choose some color. I'm taking magenta color. Close this and change the view type to conceptual view. So this is how we have completed this part. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.